of transfer foil. I'm gonna show you what's I'm gonna show you is the transfer foil from one of the box. I'm gonna show you the box right away. So the box I am using is number 92. And then we're gonna do it in here for 30 seconds. And on the blueberry, I'm gonna use this flowers. And they both come from a number 92. I'm not sure what the name of it, like a cupcake. It sounds like a cupcake. And I cut it out. You know what? Keep in mind, sometimes you see me putting a whole piece in there, but I cut this piece flowers off from this. You can leave it alone and cut it, or you can, well, I mean, you can cut it, or you can leave it alone and put it on. This one I like. I'm so tempting. I like them all. I don't know. They're so beautiful. It's okay to be not know. Sometimes we say, I don't know, and say, why don't you know? Well, it's because I don't know, but I like them all. And then this one.
And for you know, and everybody wondering, yes, so it's thermal change. So when it heat up, like on the LED lamp, it will change color. So in a little bit, we'll dip it into cold water. You see it change back to the original color.
So this is the cherry, and this is the blueberry. So I'm gonna give just a little bit. This beauty. I feel like, why do you even have to pull this off? Because you can encapsulate. Look, it's staying there. You don't need to peel it off. So I'm gonna give a good pressure. You know, usually when I have a long nails, I can't do this. Now short nails, I can pull it out. Okay, now I can't grab it. All right, slow motion. It transfer everything for you. All right, so it looks beautiful. So moving on, this next one. So this is the blueberry. And the next nail is cherry. And I have an eyes on this one. So I want I know I want everything. Cupcake. All right. This is the box number 92. Love the flower collection. It has a lot of details with the foil as well. It works so beautiful and perfect with all gel polish collections. Glitz gel polish collections is liquid and powder and velvety gels. Look at that, how beautiful it's already transfer everything. Ready? There you go. You know what? It looks so beautiful. You don't even need to do anything else. So this is number 92 box. I'll put it in here. So here is the two design for the foil. If you don't want anything, you can definitely top coat it and keep for 60 seconds and you're good to go. But then we are going to apply some crystal placements on this one.